Hi everyone, it's Liam and Luke here from Powered Now, and welcome to one of our webinars. We've got our latest release coming out very shortly, and we just want to talk you through our new features and benefits, and obviously how they will sort of affect your business and affect the way that you use Powered Now. So we've got some great advancements around certificates. So we've got some new industry certificates coming out. And we also want to maintain that we are the current most up-to-date and most enhanced sort of certificate platform out there. So we've attributed some new certificates there. Also some customizable forms where you can sort of create your own customization with regards to titles and questions and formatting. And then we've also done a big overhaul with regards to the photo side of things in Powered Now. So a lot of people ask for obviously photos to maintain alongside their documents or to be captured inside projects, give that understanding of what happened on the job. And we've now got these options where you can upload multiple at the same time. You've got some zooming options. And we can also display different sizes as well, which is really important if you want to emphasize something that you've noticed on a job and in a bigger sort of profile on the actual document itself. So again, always trying to make improvements inside Powered Now, striving to be the best. So without boring you too much, let's go into some of them improvements. So Luke, if you can talk us through what we've got to offer and what's in this latest release, that'd be great.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, to start off with, obviously, yeah, we'll be expecting the new version 9.03 very shortly. Let me just share my screen, and I'm just in a project at the moment. So quite commonly, a question that we got asked was, I've uploaded a lot of images to my job, and the next course of action was to attach them images to the quote or invoice that you were sending to the customer. Obviously, there was a slight issue with that where you couldn't actually select which images you would like to use. So this is a great feature that's come in. So if I just use the images that I've already added in to the project, click Create Document, we've got select images separately. So what this does is this splits up the image groups into single images, which allows you to then select the images that you would like to use on your invoices or quotes. So if an engineer's uploaded a before and after, maybe you just want the after pictures being on the invoice, and that would be a great scenario in which this would be a great feature. So also, you've probably seen inserted width, which there are a few different options as well, which help with the sizing of images and how they display on documents. So you have small, medium, large, and full page. So this is all integrated with the image improvements that we've come up with in this version. So yeah, it's all heavily focused on the image quality, how they display, and the configuration in which you display them on the documents, which is very, very helpful. Okay, so if I just show you what this will look like. So let's just go to add this image as a large image as an example. You can see it's a lot larger than the initially compressed image from there. So that's pretty much around the image size side of things. Again, you mentioned about the certificates that we've got in the system. So if I go down to the Forms and Certificates tab here, we've got renewable energy. So we do have a lot of,
Industry firsts.
Yeah, industry first renewable energy certificates, which are now available. If you do have any questions and would like to use these certificates, just contact us in the support department and we can go from there. We do also have the new tab, which it used to be called measurement forms. Now it's customizable forms because it's more relevant. And we've got what's called a customizable questionnaire form. And we have 5 different variations of this. So quite a common wish list item was more questions than the job completion form and the extended site visit form. So this gives you exactly that. It gives you up to 50 questions that you can enter in on this form. It gives you a few different, a few additional configurable questions and answers of how you would like to configure that form as well. So you can also give ratings on that form now. You can do a lot more with that form if you need to. So, and then going on to the home screen, so we can now make you can now make each user's configurable home screen. So quite commonly people didn't really want to go onto the home screen. They just wanted to go straight in their diary. That's where they do the majority of their day's work. So we've now put that in place. So if we just go into the settings, go to manage team, select my user as an example. If I just scroll down, we've got start at. So we've got the home screen. That's just a default home screen, daily diary, in brackets with own. What that means is that filters the diary just to your diary. If it's an engineer that has their permissions set up where they can only see their diary, they can use either daily diary or that one at the top there. So, and then for anyone using having the premium subscription with the new scheduled view of the diary, this option is now available to you. If you are interested in looking over the premium features, just feel free to obviously message us through the chat system or give us a call. But yeah, that's the default home screen for you.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, like everything with software, most of the work's done under the covers. So we've made some real improvements around the speed and loggings in of Powered now, sort of the document creation. So hopefully you'll see them improvements too. And obviously, we're always taking on your feedback. So if there's anything else that you, again, want to see coming into Powered now, do contact us at support or just a chat button. And we'd love to take the feedback from our customers and find out what's next. What's the pain points that are coming in business? Businesses are always evolving. The industry and landscape's always evolving. So what new challenges are you coming up with that we can always help you and overcome in the future? So obviously, like I say, if you have any questions or want to know any more, please feel free to book a demo or some training with Powered now. Obviously, just go to our website and we're more than happy to talk you through that. And we really hope this new version just helps a little bit more and we give you a bit more profit with a less hassle, which is one of our big strap lines. So if you have any questions, reach out to us, hit the chat button or contact us soon. Thank you.